later on in his third flight of the day. But let's watch his camp. Climbs up, rolls it over on its back in a barrel roll, using the ailerons, elevators, rudder, and throttle to start and stop at the same altitude and airspeed. With an engine that has only 65 horsepower. It has no electric starter. You literally have to crank this one by hand to get the engine going. The 1942, the year this one was built. And representing the folks at Jelly Belly Candy Company up in Fairfield, California, you can check out those free factory tours and make a day trip of it. Go up in the morning, a couple of hours up, spend some time seeing how they make the greatest tasting and the most desired Jelly Belly Candy Company jelly beans anywhere in the world. Now let's watch as we see the Hammerhead stall turnaround. Below is the Jelly Belly aircraft carrier. He just said go, go, go. There's a truck that is out there that has a deck on the top. Camp Pete cannot see out in front of him, so he's got to come in on the side and adjust his flight path so he can gauge where he's going to be. He's going to attempt to land on that truck, going 55 miles an hour. The wheels are closer. Watch for the wheels to touch. Now, look, looks like he's got a wheel down. He's on the deck. Let's see if he can slide it forward into the wheel line in front of the deck. Oh, I don't think he's going to make it. He's got a wheel off. He's going to go around again. Hey, kid, try it one more time, buddy. All right, guys, you're going to swing around with another 360. Right back. All right. Let's listen for the call. Says 55 miles an hour. He got it. There's the go signal. The truck is on the roll. He looks out the left side of the cockpit. He is slid to the right of the truck. Once he has his speed matched, he will then center himself up right over the deck and feel for those wheels to touch, as he has done right now. He's got to now work his way in, kind of step it up, using the rudder pedal.